resisting. Stop resisting.
I have a son at the University of Florida. I am not a homeless person. I have done nothing wrong. I have done nothing wrong. I have done nothing wrong. I have done nothing wrong.
On the 14th of May, 2026, officers in the Gainesville area of Florida responded to a trespassing call at a local McDonald's restaurant.
Sir, in 6 months.
Let's step outside.
Hold on.
Let's step outside.
In 6 months. I have never been kicked out of any McDonald's. Why are you doing this?
Come on, let's go outside.
Why are you doing
Let's go outside.
Let's go outside.
Let's go outside.
Why are you doing the white man's bidding?
Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
Huh? Gatekeeper? Black gatekeeper?
Let's go.
Why are you doing the white man's bidding?
I need your ID,
why are you doing the... Tell him, why are you doing the white man's bidding? Why are you doing the white man's bidding? Why are you a gatekeeper?
Calm down. Let me see your ID.
No, that is not going to be the first thing
Yes, let me see your ID. You are not going to leave right now.
Okay. You're not going to put your fucking hands on me. You're not going to put your fucking hands on me.
Put your hands behind your back.
You're not going
Stop
to
resisting.
put your hands.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
I am not resisting. Stop it.
Put your hands behind
I
your back.
am not resisting. Stop. Stop. Please
Put
stop.
your hands behind your back.
Stop. Stop. I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything. Stop it. Stop. I haven't done anything.
94, can I get
I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything. I haven't done.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why are you doing this?
Put your hands behind your back. Drop your backpack.
I haven't done anything.
Drop your backpack and put your hands behind your back.
I haven't done anything.
Put your hands behind your back.
I haven't
Let
done
go.
anything.
Let go.
I'm innocent. I haven't done anything.
Let go.
Stop. I need my glasses.
Let go.
I haven't done
Let
anything.
go. Let go.
I'm a 25-year Florida resident.
Stop resisting.
I have a son at the University of Florida. I am
That's
not a homeless person. Do not treat
I don't
me.
care.
Stop.
I don't care.
Leave
Let
me.
go.
Please don't
Let go.
do this.
Let go. You're going to
I am
jail.
a mother. I have done nothing wrong. I have done nothing wrong. Stop. Stop.
Let go.
Stop. I have done nothing wrong, sir. I have done nothing wrong. Stop. I've done nothing wrong.
Put your hands behind your back.
I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong.
Behind your back.
Stop.
You're gonna get tased.
Stop.
You're gonna get tased. Put your hand behind your back. You're gonna get tased.
Stop. I haven't done anything wrong.
Keep them behind your back.
You're hurting me. I haven't done anything wrong. Stop.
Stay seated.
Stop.
Stay seated. Do not move. Stay seated.
Please, I haven't done anything wrong. My son graduates from
That's great. I don't care. You failed to identify yourself. You failed to leave after being asked.
My son graduates from the University of Florida next month. Please, sir, stop. You don't need to do this. Why are you doing this? Please don't.
You have to listen to the officer.
I will give you my ID.
You failed to give it the
Please
first 3 times I
don't.
asked.
You didn't.
No,
Please.
that's too late for that.
Please.
We're not doing that. I asked her 3 times.
I need my glasses.
Well, half of them are right here.
Why did you ruin my glasses? I can't see.
Stand up. Stand up.
I can't see without my glasses. I need my laptop. I need my laptop. I need my laptop. Please get my laptop.
Relax.
Please get my laptop.
Bro, get your stuff.
Please get my laptop. My
I'll
dog is
take her.
my dog is in the car. Please. My dog is
Come here. We got a search.
please stop.
Do you have anything on your person?
I don't.
All right.
Please stop. Please stop.
Where is your buckle for your fanny pack?
What do you... Please stop. Please stop.
All right.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Relax.
I didn't do
Just
anything
relax.
wrong. I anything wrong. Please stop. Please stop. Where's my backpack?
Hey, and Druzy.
I need my...
Oh, never mind.
I need my backpack, sir, please.
Okay, hold on.
Can you loosen them?
Relax.
Those are very tight. Please loosen.
They're not tight. I can fit my. I can. Look, there's a whole finger in there.
No, it's all tight.
All right, let's put her in the car.
No, it's very tight, please. My dog! My dog, sir! My dog! What are you going to do with my dog?
SPCA? I don't know.
Why
in there.
are you...
In the car.
What are
Sit
you
down.
doing
You're going to jail.
I didn't do anything wrong! I didn't do anything wrong! I need my
Watch your foot.
backpack!
You have a quick minute for me?
This house in 30 minutes?
You have a quick minute?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. No, just let me call you right back, okay?
Oh, you're on the phone. My apologies.
Okay, I'll call you right back.
I heard you say you want to press charges.
Yes.
She failed to leave as trespassing.
Mm-hmm.
She also failed to identify herself. So, can you just tell me what happened before I got here?
Yeah, no problem. So I came out the lobby. There was her sitting over there, and then another guy that was sitting over there that was, I guess he was homeless or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
And then there was a family over here. So I do our rounds. Every 30 minutes we have to do our rounds. Let the customers, hey, good morning. You have a 30-minute time frame while consuming food, and then you have to be off the property. It's a 30-minute time frame.
Mm-hmm.
She didn't even consume any food. She was just sitting here using the Wi-Fi. And so she was like, who are you? The white gatekeeper? Ma'am, this is not even a confrontational thing right now.
Right.
I'm just letting you know the rules is 30 minutes. Well, I traveled the world and blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, congratulations that you traveled the world. I don't need to know all that. I just need you to know that there's a 30-minute time frame and that's it. That's all I'm coming here to do. And then that's when she's got irate. She started calling me names. Ma'am, I don't have time for that. Oh, you hate your mother. Oh, you need to go get some tea and all this. I'm like,
What names was she calling you?
she called me a black nigga, and then she called me a black gay dude. Then she said, she just kept saying, hateful things,
Okay.
Oh, you're here to control the white people, and ma'am, she's like, oh, you need to be in jail somewhere where all the black people is. You know where they want you. I'm like, ma'am, I don't care about all that. Ma'am, I have a degree. I just applied for law school. I'm just waiting for them to say,
oh, congrats.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for my acceptance letter. That's it.
Congrats.
So, all that unnecessary stuff, ma'am, I can't engage in that. There's ethical things that I have to, maintain.
Absolutely.
I can't do that. So it's like, the things that you're saying is very hateful, and I really want to react, but in the back of my head, I'm thinking like, you're just applying for law school. So, there's certain standards that you have to go about things.
Mm-hmm.
So, then I just called 911 to say, can you guys just come and remove the lady? And by the time you got here, she was already back here trying to record me. And I'm like, ma'am, stop recording me. You don't have permission to record me. Stop recording me.
Okay.
Oh, I'm recording. And that's what happened.
Okay. I just see. Are you the manager?
Yes, I am.
I just need to get your quick ID.
Okay, no problem. Let me go get my
And
driver's
then I'll have you on your way.
license. Okay, no problem.
Thank you so much, sir.
No problem.
So there's another statute that I'm thinking about right now.
Okay.
It's disorderly conduct in a licensed establishment.
Okay,
Right?
okay.
Clearly, she's acting disorderly in a licensed establishment.
Exactly.
Like I said, I know you want to press charges for trespassing. Mm-hmm. Would you also be okay with the disorderly conduct?
Yes,
Okay,
I'll be fine
perfect.
with that. Yes, that's not a
Perfect.
problem at all.
There you are, sir. Thank you very
no
much for your
problem.
time.
Thank you.
Of course.
This is so unfair, and you don't need to do this to me. I'm a 25-year Florida resident. I own 3-4 homes here.
Okay. Let me see. Where did the
He hurt my arm. He threw me down. I hope you have bodycam footage of all of that. He broke my glasses. There was no need to get that kind of aggressive with me. I'm a 50-year-old woman. I'm 5'3". I'm not dangerous. I don't own firearms. I was a victim of domestic violence in this state. My ex-husband spent 6 months in the Sarasota County Jail for smashing his wife into his third wife's face, and I was the second wife. You don't need to do this to a woman whose mother was murdered also. You don't need to do this to women.
Okay, so listen, I'm going to take some pictures. Can I see? Lean back from your
Why do you have to put these on so tightly?
They should be pretty loose right now.
They're not loose, sir. They're actually cutting into my wrist.
Okay, put this foot in for a second. Let me get some better pictures. I don't know.
The bodycam footage will tell everything. They went fucking full force on me.
Lower back left.
A 50-year-old 5'3" woman
you can face forward for me for one more second,
Please
okay?
loosen these so that they don't cut
Let me
into
go.
my wrist. Please, just a
Here's-
little
here's
bit,
the trick,
please.
okay? Keep your hands together like you're praying, and they're real loose, okay?
They're not. They're driving into my
Okay,
wrist.
take some deep breaths,
Please.
relax.
Can you
We'll be right
please
back.
give me water, please? Just give me a drink of water, please.
This footage raises three distinct legal questions: the lawfulness of the trespass, the validity of the failure to identify charge, and the proportionality of force used during the arrest. Under Florida Statute Section 810.08, a trespass occurs when a person remains in a structure after being warned by an authorized agent to depart and refuses to do so. The statute does not require a posted sign. It does not require prior criminal history. It requires one thing: notice from an authorized person, followed by refusal. The manager issued that notice directly and verbally. The subject remained. At that moment, the civil matter became a criminal one. Florida is a stop and identify state. Under Florida Statute Section 856.021, once an officer has a lawful basis to detain a person here, an active trespass, that officer may demand identification. Refusal is not a constitutional right in this context. It is a separate misdemeanor. The subject refused 3 times, creating independent criminal exposure. The officer also considered Florida Statute Section 509.143, disorderly conduct on the premises of a licensed establishment. McDonald's holds a Florida DBPR food service license. This statute is not redundant to trespass. The state has a distinct regulatory interest in licensed commercial spaces, operating safely and lawfully. Disruptive conduct inside those premises, verbal confrontation, racial slurs, directed at staff satisfies the statute's elements independently of whether trespass is charged. The physical arrest sequence activates Florida Statute, Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence. The statute does not require an aggressive act. Pulling away, twisting, and failing to present hands for restraint all constitute obstruction of a law enforcement officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty. The subject repeatedly stated she was not resisting. The law does not rely on self-narration to define physical conduct. Verbal declaration of innocence cannot substitute for physical compliance. On the use of force, the Supreme Court in Graham v. Connor established that reasonableness must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not in hindsight. The officer applied verbal commands first, physical escort second, full restraint third, and issued a taser warning fourth. No taser was deployed. Each escalation step was preceded by non-compliance. Under Graham, that progression is constitutionally sound. No excessive force indicators are present in this footage. The primary officer receives a B+. His legal basis was established before any force was used. His directive communication style was tactically correct for this subject type. He correctly declined to provide conversational space to a subject, using dialogue as a resistance strategy. Articulating charges on camera before escalating was sound procedure. 2 issues prevent a higher grade. First, the taser warning was appropriately timed, but should have been accompanied by clearer on-camera articulation of the legal basis for arrest. Second, the subject's repeated complaints about handcuff tightness are consistent with failure to double lock immediately after application. That is a correctable gap in procedure. The subject receives a D. She entered a licensed commercial establishment without purchasing anything, then refused a uniform lawful removal notice. She declined 3 lawful ID demands, physically resisted a lawful arrest, and generated 3 separate criminal charges, each of which was entirely avoidable. Post-arrest, she deployed an inventory of personal credentials, residency, property ownership, family status, age, as though Florida statutes contain exemptions for biography. They do not. Florida Statute Section 810.08 contains no residency exemption. Section 843,02 contient no âge exemption. Section 856.021 does not distinguish defendants by social status. The narrow positives, she did not physically assault officers, and her post-arrest complaints about handcuff tightness are within her rights to articulate. Neither fact mitigates what preceded them. Every charge she now faces was the direct product of choices she made after being asked to leave a McDonald's. The McDonald's manager receives an A. He applied a documented, uniform commercial policy and was subjected to sustained racial slurs without retaliating. His on-camera account was clear, specific, and credible. Under Florida Statute Section 810.08, his verbal notice to leave is the legally required element of the trespass charge. His willingness to cooperate with disorderly conduct charges under Section 509.143 further strengthened the state's evidentiary posture. His conduct eliminated any plausible claim of discriminatory enforcement. 3 lessons from this encounter. First, a business's authority to revoke your license to remain does not require a posted sign, a purchase history, or a formal process. A verbal notice from an authorized person is legally sufficient. The moment that notice is issued and you remain, criminal exposure begins regardless of your status or history. Second, in Florida, refusing to identify yourself during a lawful detention is a standalone criminal charge. Exercising that refusal does not protect you, it compounds your exposure. If an officer has lawful grounds to detain you, the legally sound response is to identify yourself, comply with lawful commands, and contest the matter through proper legal channels. Third, personal credentials have no function inside a criminal statutes analysis. Property ownership, educational achievement, age, and family circumstances are not legal defenses to trespass or resisting arrest. Deploying them during an arrest does not slow the process. It extends the encounter, adds audio to the record, and in no case has it altered the applicable elements of a Florida misdemeanor charge. At the time of this analysis, the outcome of any criminal proceedings related to this incident remains unknown. Based on the footage and applicable Florida statutes, likely charges include trespass in structure or conveyance under Section 810.08, resisting officer without violence under Section 843.02, and disorderly conduct on licensed premises under Section 509.143. Civil liability exposure for the department appears low. The legal basis for detention, identification, demand, and arrest was fully established before any force was applied. The subject's own conduct substantially diminished any potential federal civil rights claim under Section 1983. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to watch more engaging videos on my channel.